Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga tayo mag-exercise, alright. So yun, hello, good morning and welcome to my daily vlog again. And let's go. Syempre, of course, bago ang lahat, let's take our medicine first, yung 30 minutes before breakfast. Kailangan natin yan, 30 minutes inumin before tayo mag-breakfast, alright? And yon, after taking our medicine, set up tayo ng upuan natin at saka table sa labas while waiting for the sunshine or for the sunrise. Kasi for today, mag-exercise tayo and magpapainit. And of course, while waiting, breakfast muna tayo. Alright, let's go! And for today's breakfast is malunggay na pandesal and gatas with kunting kape. And syempre, pag Pinoy ka, hindi pwedeng hindi sausaw yung pandesal sa mainit-init na kape. Ganyan tayo, Pinoy. Alright? Kain tayo. Kape tayo. Sarap ng buhay o ano. And there you go the sunshine. And it's time for the exercise. Alright. Yeah boy, let's go. Anyway guys, pagod ka na ba? Stress, depressed, drained, and about to give up? Before ka mag-give up, always remember na hindi magbibigay ang Panginoong Diyos ng problema sa atin na di natin kaya. And always put on your mind that God give the hardest battles to His strongest soldiers. So heads up and trust God's process. Have faith on Him. Hindi niya tayo lalagay sa isang sitwasyon na hindi makakabuti sa atin. Right? And yun, anyway, we're done magpainit at saka mag-exercise. And dito na si Esme and may pasalubong. Alright. Swerte ka naman sa napakandang girlfriend na yan. May pasalubong. Thank you, my love. Yun, alam niyo talaga ang paborito ko. Hihi, love you, boss. And yun, it's breakfast time. Tapos na tayo mag-light breakfast and heavy breakfast naman tayo before natin i-take yung mga vitamins na kailangan natin i-take for today. So what we have here for breakfast is okra, tortang talong, and sausawan na tuyot kalamansi, and of course rice and itlog. Tara, kain tayo guys. Kain tayo and para lumakas, bumalik ang dating lakas at sumigla ulit. And yun, take my vitamins para bumalik ulit yung dating lakas at makapag outdoor na naman. Alright. So yun guys, and that's all for today. Before natin yan yung vlog, papangit muna tayo ng dessert. Ano guys, thank you so much for today, for watching my vlog for today's ganap. So peace out and love you all.